everyone, welcome to Cipher Page, and today we are going to solve Leetcode number 3731, that is find missing elements. Okay, so in this question we are just given an array of numbers and these are not sorted. So we have to find the numbers that are missing. The numbers that are missing actually this nums contains every integer within the certain range. However, some integers might have gone missing from the array. The smallest and the largest number of the original range are still present in the number. Okay, so we are given with the smallest and largest number. Return a sorted list of all missing numbers, missing integers in this range. If no integers are missing, return an empty list. So this is what we have to do in this question. Suppose this is a question. Let us take 1, 4, 2, 5. We are given this list. So in the question we can say we are given the smallest and the largest integer. So in this list we can see that the smallest one is this 1 and this largest one is this 5. Okay, what we can do, we can see that these are the numbers. So we know if we start from 1, the numbers should be in the range of 1 to 5 and it should include all numbers. Okay, it should include all numbers. Okay, in this range. Okay, so what we will do is we can just know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the numbers. Here in this we can see 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is not present, 4 is present, 5 is present. So in the answer, in the vector answer, we have to return this 3. Are you getting? So how we will solve this question? Let me discuss the first approach, that is method 1. What we will do? We will do sorting. Okay, in this method what we will do? We will do first sorting. So as we are given the numbers, let's take this let's take a random this example, that is 5 and 1. So if we sort this, we will get what we will get. Okay, let's take a bit large range. Let me clear it out. Let us have array as 5, 1, 7 and then 3. Suppose this is our vector array. What we have to find? We have to first sort this. Okay, if we sort this, we will get this 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, if we sort this, we will get this 1, 3, 5, 7. So what we will do, we will iterate over this array and we will just have this element, and we will find which elements are absent in this particular range. Okay, so we know that in between these two is missing, so we will put this. Thereafter we will try to check between this and this range. Okay, so we know 4 is missing in this range. We will return 4 in the answer. Later we will check to find between 5 and 7. So we know 6 is missing in this range. So now we can see that the smallest is 1, largest is 7, and from 1 to 7 all the elements are present. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and suppose this is not 7, this is 8. So we also need to put 6 and 7 both. Okay, so I am getting how we will try to iterate So what we will do, we will first sort the step 1 is sort nums that is given. Thereafter iterate from iterate over nums, compare, uh, check if number between nums of I and nums of I plus 1 is missing. Okay, add, then what we need to do, add missing numbers in answer. So this is what our first approach we will do. Now there is second approach that I am going to discuss, method 2. What we can do is we know okay, first the first approach will have a time complexity of because we are sorting, so the highest time complexity is of sorting, so the time complexity of will be of n log n, and the space complexity will be big of 1, that is constant time complexity, because we are not taking any extra space. Now the second method is using hash map or set. Okay, what we will do in this typical approach is that, as we know that we are given the what array I have taken, 5173 5173. We know that the smallest element in this range is 1 and the largest is let me erase it. The smallest number is this one, smallest, and the largest one is this 7. What we will do is we will keep all these elements of nums. What we will do, put all elements of array into set. Okay, thereafter iterate between the smallest, you can say the minimum element, and the largest, that is the maximum element, and side by side, if element is not present in set, then push it then push it in our resultant answer. Okay, resultant array. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, I hope you got the approach. What we will do, we will iterate from 1 to 7 and we check if 2 is present. 2 is not present in this array, we will push 2 in our resultant. Okay, then we will check 3 is present. 3 is present, so we will continue. Next, 4 is not present, we will put 4. 5 is present, no worry. 6 is not present, push 6. So the time complexity of this will be big of n, because we are using set, the space complexity will be big of n as well. So it is bit optimized, but we are consuming extra space. Okay, so let's do both these approach in Leetcode. So I'm just using the like the optimized approach only. So what I'm just do, I will just uh, make a unordered set, and it will be of integers, and I will push all the numbers. So I'm just writing nums dot begin and nums dot end. With this we have pushed all the elements of nums into this set. Now we have to find the minimum element and the maximum element. So minimum element will be you can find this using this method minimum element in the nums till nums dot begin to nums dot end, and similarly we can find the maximum element mx, that will be max of element in nums dot begin nums dot end. Okay, there is another way to get, that is something related to range. I don't remember that way. So now what we will do, we will iterate from int I equals to minimum element till I less than maximum element I plus plus. We will say if s dot contain this I, yeah, if s dot not contain this I, we will push that in our resultant vector. So I have to make a vector int resultant. What we will do, res dot push underscore back I, and we will return this resultant array. Okay, so we can see that we get a compilation error, unordered set integer s. Okay, I just made a mistake here, it should be dot. Any other mistake? uh, okay, now run it. Contains, I think it's contains, or it's count. We can also use count, I guess. Okay, it is accepted, so let's submit it, and you can see it is submitted successfully. So this is the optimal approach that I have used. Thank you for this video. Okay, bye.